Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Trello board to LinkedIn profile updates, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Trello account. Open the board you want to connect to your LinkedIn profile. Next, locate the Power UPS option in the board menu. Click on Power UPS to browse available integrations. In the search bar, type Zapier and select it from the list. Click the Add button to enable the Zapier power-up. You will now need to connect your Trello account to Zapier. Go to the Zapier website and sign in or create a new account. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. Choose Trello as the trigger app. Select a trigger event, such as new card or card move to list. Connect your Trello account by following the prompts. After connecting, customize the trigger settings to your preferences. Next, choose LinkedIn as the action app. Select an action event like share an update. You'll need to connect your LinkedIn account as well. Authorize Zapier to access your LinkedIn profile. Now, set up the LinkedIn action by filling in the required fields. You can customize what content from Trello you want to share on LinkedIn. Once you've completed the setup, test the Zap to ensure it works. If everything is successful, click on Turn on Zap. Now, your Trello board updates will automatically reflect on your LinkedIn profile. To manage or modify this integration, return to the Zapier dashboard at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.